Psychological Testing Advantage is a website for psychologists and educational counselors who require a fast turnaround on testing scores and is to be used for the assessment or diagnosis of learning disabilities or any other mental disorders. The tool will do computerized test scoring, interpretation, and report writing, and eventually will be the home for over 100 tests. What you would do to get to this tool. First thing you would do to access the tool is open your browser and then enter this URL in your browser's window. The address is http://www.psychtestingadvantage.net/db. Once you're here, go down to this box and enter your email address. The very first time you access the system, your password will be exactly the same as your email address. Once you've entered those, just go over here to this login button and click it. Time you log in, you'll need to change your password immediately. After logging in, you'll see these boxes on your screen. Type in your new password, and then retype your password to be sure that you typed it in correctly. Try to use a combination of letters and numbers in your password to make it more secure. When you're done, just click the Save button, and you should see Password Updated. The first thing you'll want to do is update your profile. So go over here to the Profile button and we'll click on it. It'll bring you to the user detail page. Here you'll need to enter your first name and your last name. Your email address and your password should already be entered. Enter all your phone numbers, then enter your address, the city, the state, and the zip code. When that is complete, all you do is come down here and you click on the Update button. Once again, you should see in green, Record Updated. The next thing you will want to do is assign a test to a patient or a student. So we'll want to go back to the Patient tab. So we'll just go up here and click on it. You will notice at this time that we only have one patient listed. But if you have more patients, their names would also appear right here. So let's click on the patient name, and that brings us to the user detail page. This looks very similar to the profile page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Assign Test box. In the box, you will use the pull-down menu to select a test for that patient. If you go back down to that box, you'll notice that that test now appears in the box. It's always a good idea at this point to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Update button. And once again, we will see the Record Updated page. Here is some additional information that you might find useful. Let's go back to the patient page and click on the patient's name. That'll bring us back to the user detail page for that patient. Make sure that you've put in the patient's name, first name, and last name correctly. Make sure that you've also entered their email address and assigned them a password. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, check the Assign Test box, make sure you have assigned the correct test. Once that has been completed, you can inform your patient that they can go to the website and enter their email address and the password you have assigned to them. Immediately upon entering the system, the test they have been assigned will show up on their screen. Once the test is completed, instruct them to click on the Submit button. When that is complete, they will be locked out of the system and no longer have access. Once the patient test has been completed, it will show in the completed test box. The Test name will be right here, and all you do is click on it. It'll show you the test results for that patient. As usual, let's go down and click the Update button. We hope you have enjoyed learning how to use our tool today. Many additional tests will be added in the very near future. If you have any questions, you can reach us by email. Just send an email to info@psychtestingadvantage.net, and we will respond to your email promptly.